set the scene on a broken man, and kerosene and a little lamp, and just enough light to make out a figure. She got the thunder under her command, she got the lightning in the palm of her hand, and then now for the sun we can make it through the winter. Got the ice in my veins, I would melt, but I don't know how. I keep the fear in the back of my head, I keep a photograph under my bed, but she knows where I am, and they watch me almost every day. And I can take all the memories, and I can blow them to smithereens, but the ashes would fall and they'd recollect a figure. And I can feel her breathing out, and I'm inside my head and I think that it's time to get out.
Sayın şair, Sayın Özlem Şirin, hiç kimsenin etkisi ve baskı altında kalmadan özgür iradenize evlenmeyi kabul ediyor musunuz?
Evet.
Siz Sayın Özlem Şirin, Sayın Özlem Şair, hiç kimsenin etkisi ve baskı altında kalmadan özgür iradenize evlenmeyi kabul ediyor musunuz?
Kesinlikle evet.
She got the thunder under her command, she got the lightning in the palm of her hand, and then now for the sun